Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. In the previous lessons, we learned some of the features of Windows 10, like creating a new folder, renaming and copying a folder or a file. Now let's talk about how to move a folder or a file. Moving a file or a folder refers to the shifting of its original location to another new location. While in copying a folder or file, we just make its duplicate in another place or a new location. But in moving, we shift it to a new location. The different ways of moving a file or folder. The first method. Click on the file or folder that you want to move. Let's use the last folder that we created in the picture folder, right? So here is the folder, class 5 folder. So, for moving a folder or a file, the first step is to select the file or the folder. Then, click on the Cut option in the toolbar. Then go to the desired location where you want to paste it. Okay, here I want to paste it in the videos folder. So just I click on the videos folder and then click on the paste option in the toolbar. You can see the folder is copied here or it is moved here. Okay, so now let's check the previous folder, that is the picture folder. You can see the folder is deleted from here. Okay, so the place of the folder is now shifted to video folder. Okay, the second method. First go to the desired file or folder which you want to move. So here I want to move this folder, new folder 2020. So just select the file or folder, then right click on it and you can see a menu appears. Okay, from this right click menu, select cut option. Okay, and then go to the desired folder of drive where you want to paste it. So I'm just going to the video folder. In the empty place in the right pane of the Explorer, click the right mouse button. A menu will appear. Okay, select the paste option here. You can see the folder is pasted at this place. Let's check the previous folder, that is the picture folder. You can see the folder is deleted from here. So the new place or location for the folder is now video. You can see it is here. There is shortcut key that you can use to move the folder from one place to another. To cut the folder, select it, then click on Ctrl plus X and then go to the desired folder where you want to paste it and click Ctrl plus V. Okay, so these are the three ways for moving file or folder from one place to another. Now let's talk about how to delete a file or folder. The different way of deleting a file or folder are: the first method. Click on the file or folder which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this folder. So I just select it. Then click on the delete option. You can see the delete option in the toolbar. Just press on it. You can see the folder is now deleted. Okay. The second method. Select the file or folder which you want to delete. Suppose here I want to delete this folder. So I just select it, then right click on it. Okay. A menu will appear. From here, click on the delete option. You can see the delete option. Click on it. So the file or the folder is now deleted. When you delete a folder, all the content inside the folder will be deleted and it moves to the recycle bin. If you want to permanently delete a file or folder, then go to the recycle bin and click on the empty recycle bin. Then all the files or folder inside the recycle bin will be permanently deleted. Now the third way, which is the shortcut way. Just select the file or folder you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this folder. So I selected it and press the delete button in your keyboard. Look, it's deleted. Okay. Look at the recycle bin. You can see the folder is here. Okay. So now let's talk about how to restore a deleted file or folder. To restore a deleted file or folder, first click on the recycle bin. After that, select the file or folder which you want to restore. Suppose here I want to restore this folder. So just select it, then click on restore the selected item. So I click on this restore the selected item button. Now you can see the folder is restored in the videos folder from where we actually deleted it. You can also restore all the folders or files that you deleted earlier from the recycle bin. Just select all the files or folder, click on the restore button, or you can just click restore all items. It will ask, are you sure you want to restore all the items from recycle bin? Just press the yes button and you can see all the files and folder that we had deleted were restored in. So that's all for the day. We will explore more options of Windows 10 in our next class. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.